versus Benita Williams. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrett, Your Honor.
Defense?
G. Moonstreet.
And are you Miss Williams?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, have you received all of the discovery?
Yes, I have, Judge.
Did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Abrams, this is an application. Did you review the document entitled application for deferred with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes.
Did you review the document entitled court admonishments with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine.
Yes.
If you have a plea with the state, court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of, I'm sorry, I got backtracked. Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
All right. This is what happens sometimes when you multitask. Did you understand that the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, she has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
She is.
Ms. Williams, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to appeal. Waived your right to a jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes, I did.
According to the plea, there's a $1,000 fine. State is recommending deferred adjudication, and there's to be $57 for drug testing to SAPD. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 80 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plea? State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you.
Did you review the document entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits one and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just that she has, since getting this case, it's been quite a long time ago, 6 years, I believe. She's moved to Montana. She has a job, making $20 an hour. She says she's clean and sober, and she says that she wants to continue her job and complete the probation, put this behind her finally.
Right, where in Montana?
Bozeman.
Bozeman?
Yes.
And what county is that?
Gallatin,
I'm sorry, what?
Gallatin,
Gallatin. How do you spell that?
Gallatin.
And who do you live with in Montana?
At 20 Michael Grove.
No.
Oh.
Who do you live
Me and my
with?
daughter.
And how old is she?
She's 18 now.
And so, do you have any contact with Jose De Leon?
I don't know who.
Stephen Rivera?
Yes,
You still have contact with him?
I do.
How?
Over the phone.
All right, why are you in contact with him?
Because that was my ex and I just keep in contact with him.
Do you know if he's clean and sober?
Yes, he is.
How do you know?
Because he told me so.
All right. Naomi Cantu?
I don't know who that is.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. There's $1,000 fine. That will be probated. There's to be $57 restitution to SAPD for drug testing. Are you asking to be transferred back to Montana?
Yes,
All right. Transfer to Bozeman, Montana. And she says that's Gallatin County. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. And if they do field visits, I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. 120 hours community service restitution. Ms. Abrams, will they be able to do a TAP evaluation in Montana?
She'll have to remain in their county until the that's in Montana. We can about the weekend before the weekend.
All right, so we'll do a TAP evaluation and 120 sober meetings in 120 days. Probation, is there anything else she needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
who do I report to while I'm here?
They'll let you know. All right, and also there's to be no contact with the following persons. Jose De Leon. Stephen Rivera. Naomi Cantu. Bertha Montenegro. And who is Priscilla Riviera?
Um,
I think that is Stephen Rivera's girlfriend. And I think she was his girlfriend while you were dating him during
Oh,
this
no,
case.
no, you're, okay, I know you're talking about his sister. That's his
Mhm.
sister.
All right. If you want to say it's his sister, you can't have contact with her. All right, and that's Priscilla Rivera. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record in this court. To be successful on probation, communication is key. And I'm going to tell you, when they transfer you, if they transfer you to Montana, sometimes people think they get transferred to other places and Bear County doesn't know what's going on. What I can tell you is those probation officers send update to probation. And if there's an issue and if a motion to revoke is filed, you know what's going to end up happening? They're going to arrest you wherever you may be, and you're going to be brought back to San Antonio. If you're in the middle of getting ready to have a meal and they're bringing your food out, they will arrest you right then and there.
You know that I do have a, oh, no.
I was telling her not to interrupt you. so-
Oh, no. Go ahead. What do you want me to know?
I do have a case pending over there that I'm getting dropped. But I don't know when my court date is as of right now because I've been stuck over here.
Mhm.
So I do got that one going on.
And
over there.
what case do you have
It's a
pending?
DUI for possession of an empty weed pipe, which is not illegal over there. So
Yeah, see, and I had a feeling that maybe you still had drug issues. So that tells me what I need to know. So thank you for that. And I am serious about you not having any contact with that person. And do not be bringing drugs and all of that around your 18-year-old. She doesn't need that. Do not be bringing random men into her life. Do not invite Mr. Rivera to come live with you, because if he does, I am going to find out about it and a motion to revoke will be issued. Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Jack.
Bonita Williams appeared in court on a third-degree felony charge of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 1 to 4 grams. She entered a no-contest plea as part of a negotiated agreement seeking deferred adjudication instead of a conviction. After reviewing the evidence, the judge found there was sufficient evidence to support the charge, but agreed to defer a finding of guilt. Williams' attorney explained that the case was nearly 6 years old and that she had since moved to Bozeman, Montana, where she had a steady job, was earning $20 an hour, and claimed to be clean and sober while living with her 18-year-old daughter. During sentencing, the judge questioned her about maintaining contact with her former boyfriend, Stephen Rivera, and others connected to the case, expressing concern that those relationships could lead to future problems. The judge sentenced Williams to 4 years of deferred adjudication, a $1,000 probated fine, 120 hours of community service, 120 sober meetings, a TAP evaluation, random drug testing, proof of employment, and regular probation reporting. She was also ordered to have no contact with several named individuals. When Williams revealed she had a pending DUI-related case in Montana, the judge warned her that any probation violation or renewed involvement with drugs could result in her immediate arrest and return to Texas, emphasizing that strict compliance was her only path to avoiding prison.